You have to be more aggressive to reverse a disease than it is to maintain good health. Take good care. You're welcome. All right, bye-bye. So I just got off the line with someone who wrote to me saying that they're really doing my protocol, but when we got down into it, she really wasn't. And this happens all the time. You know, she went to my free classes, she learned the protocol, and she did a lot of good things. She's having green smoothies, and it sounds like she's making them well, although I'm going to check it when she sends me the pictures so I can make sure she's doing them right. She's added a lot of omega-3s. She's increased her water intake. What's taken her down is two things that I can see. One is the stuff she's eating in addition to the protocol. So still eating some processed stuff, a couple squares of chocolate, you know, some vegan cream cheese and, you know, stuff like that. Smothering rice cakes with almond butter and, you know, and listen, nut butters can be okay, but if you're trying to raise your omega-3s, then increasing your omega-6 by eating tons of nut butters and nut cream cheeses and handfuls of nuts, that's going to increase your omega-6 balance in the short term, which is what we don't want. Chocolate has sugar in it, stuff like that, that is increasing her inflammation even as she's trying to bring it down. Now, if she was eating the way she is now from the day that she could chew, from childhood, she never would have gotten sick. I believe that 100%. But you have to be more aggressive to reverse a disease than it is to maintain good health. So when she's healthy, if she wants to go back to what she's doing now, she'll get away with it. It'll be fine. But for now, we're going to buckle down. We're going to go all in. We're going to get rid of the processed junk. I said kiss goodbye like a bad relationship, you know, like that ex that it was hard to quit. You got to quit that ex. Kiss it goodbye, say you're no good for me anymore, and go all in on the foods that are going to get her life back. Hey, you got to eat weird to live a normal life, right? So we're going to get rid of the things that are holding her back. We're going to eat in a strange way, lots of raw foods, lots of water, lots of omega-3s, get the health back, and then you can go back to all the normal activities, feeling like you have energy, not having pain, and that's the ultimate goal, isn't it? Is having a life where you feel good and you feel like getting up in the morning and you can go after all the things you want for your life. I hope that helps you out, and I'll see you next time.